What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. The convener in Mpumalanga for MK Party, Mary Padi, wrote a letter that is currently trending on social media. This letter is directed to Jacob Zuma. In that letter, Mary Padi is saying that Dr. John Hlophe is giving her unwanted attention. So in this letter, I realized something, that there seems to be serious tension between these two, Mary Padi and John Hlophe. If you return back a few months back ago, you will see that there was definitely serious tension between Mary Padi and John Hlophe, but it didn't seem so at the time because Mary Padi was saying, we now want Duduzane Zuma to be the deputy president of MK Party, and she was campaigning for Duduzane to be the deputy president. Well, it's not clear why she was campaigning for Duduzane Zuma to actually remove John Hlophe.
Comrade, the deputy president wemkhona wesizwe party sithatha umuntu omusha sithatha umuntu ozogijima ivision yalaba bakhe
But right now, it seems to be getting clear and clear as Dr. John Hlophe was actually interested in getting Mary Padi, but Mary Padi actually rejected John Hlophe. So maybe at that time, Mary Padi was now firing back at Dr. John Hlophe and make sure that he is removed as the deputy president of MK Party. But unfortunately for Mary Padi, it turned the other way around. It is now her who is now being removed as the convener of MK Party. So what goes around is definitely coming around here. So my 2 cents on this issue is that maybe Mary Padi shouldn't have started this tussle, this fight with Dr. John Hlophe and going around and decampaigning Dr. John Hlophe, because there was really no reason for her to say that we now wanted Duduzane Zuma to be the deputy president of MK. So as things stand now, she seems to be losing all support from within the MK party. As for the unwanted attention from Dr. John Hlophe, she should have, yes, turned down that, but instead of turning that into a fight with John Hlophe, maybe it wasn't advisable, but turning down, yes, that was the right move. But because the challenge now is that when you start a fight with your own members, tomorrow you'll want to work with those members. And when they refuse to work with you back in turn, it's going to be a very serious challenge. So if you could turn back the hands of time, she just turns down Dr. John Hlophe, check, then moves on with life instead of starting a fight by decampaigning Dr. John Hlophe. But unfortunately, she can't turn back the hands of time. She has to look forward now. Going forward now, the solution is to solve the issues with John Hlophe amicably without bringing the public into this discussion. That is just my 2 cents on this one.